Hi everyone, it's Lisa with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me. In this video, I wanted to share some of my retiring favorites from the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog here in the spring of 2018. These items are still available. This darling birthday memories paper is still available while supplies last. And I have fussy cut so many of these little birthday animals and gifts to use on cards, and I just can't wait to get them all on a card base. So I wanted to share this with you because I want you to be sure and take advantage and get that while that's still available. So I have the framelits here and the birthday delivery stamp set. You have some framelits that will cut images from the designer paper as well as images from the stamp set. Here is one of the little poodles that you can cut, and then here is the fox with his banner. Okay, let me get this. I've cut quite a few of these, so I'm going to make some birthday cards to have on hand. So let me show you what we're going to make today. I have a piece of soft sky cardstock, cut at 5.5 by 8.5, folded at 4 1/4. Soft sky is one of our colors that is retiring, that is leaving, being discontinued. So if you love soft sky, be sure you take advantage and get some of that before it's gone. I've got a piece of that designer paper cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And now I'm going to take a piece of Pacific Point cardstock, and this is simply cut at 1 inch by 5 1/4. And I'm putting that across the lower portion of the card base. I'm doing a landscape card because I want like a base for the animals so that they don't look like they're just floating. Okay, so here for this card I am using this little raccoon, this bunny with a birthday cake, and then I've also fussy cut 2 of the gifts here that I'm just going to try to strategically place, and then we'll get a sentiment put on. So let's go ahead and start with these animals. All right, we're going to put one here, a little raccoon, and let's see, I think that gift will go well like that. I'm going to have a sentiment here in the center. So let's see how this works. We'll get this little bunny with the cake put on. And I think I wanted to leave a little more room for this tall, skinny gift. So let's put that there. And it can overlap a little bit. Really, I'm going to tuck it underneath. Okay, and then I'll take this smaller gift and put that right there in the center. Okay, let's get our sentiment put on here. I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock, and I've got the stamp photopolymer. This stamp is in photopolymer. It's called, it says special delivery for your birthday, and I'm going to use Pacific Point ink and get this stamp inked up. And stamp, I'm going to be using a 2-inch circle punch to punch this out. So I'm just going to center that and give it a good punch. And now let's take, this is some of that glimmer paper from the Myths and Magic suite that's in the Occasions catalog. It's also retiring, but I thought it would be really festive for this birthday card. So let me go ahead and punch that out with our Starburst punch. And then I'm going to mount that over top just like that. And I need liquid glue to attach that, and I might have to use my fine tip glue, but let me see if I have some in here. There we go. Now I use the liquid glue so that it goes down into those little glittered edges and gives it a good stick. And then I'm just going to use some more here. And center that right in the middle. Now I thought it needed a little something else, so I didn't want too much. So I'm going to use a little piece of linen thread and tie a bow. And then I'm going to find my glue dots, and I'll use that to pop right in the center lower part of that circle, just to give it a little extra something. Okay, here are my glue dots, right here. Tuck that glue dot behind the knot and then just kind of wad it up a little bit. And put that right there. And there you have a cute birthday card that you can make using mainly the designer paper and fussy cutting those images out. Here's the first one I made. I also added some of the adhesive back Tutti Frutti sequins from the Occasions catalog. If you'd like to do that, that's in Soft Sky as well. If you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com. And I will talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.